we are with the 2017 Honda Ridgeline. Now, there's been some activity on the internet just in the last couple of days. Some other manufacturers showing how their truck beds are standing up, or not standing up, to rocks falling in the back of them. Well, we'd like to show you how the new Ridgeline handles that with its standard composite bed. So as you can see, there's virtually no damage to the bed. There are some scratches, which you can really barely see because the composite bed hides them so well. It's black all the way through the thickness of the material. So each one of these blocks, these concrete blocks, weighs about somewhere between 14 and 16 pounds. And we had over 800 pounds, I think about 830 pounds of blocks that just fell into the back of this pickup. And tailgate still works fine. The in-bed trunk looks just perfect. I think we're ready to go.